Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo IdeaPad Duet, and today I'll show you how we can enable the Do Not Disturb mode on a Chromebook. So, to get started, let's click right over here where we have our time and notifications, so give us the pop-up, and one of the toggles right here will be Do Not Disturb mode. Now it's not actually labeled as Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, it says notifications and on all apps, but you can see it based on the icon, so it's like a circle with a cross. So this is the Do Not Disturb mode. You can tap on a drop down menu on it. As you just seen, there's like an arrow next to it, so you can click on it, and this will give you a couple options right here, like app badges. You can turn them off, you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and then you can also select what apps this will imply in it, and you obviously just press on it to turn it on, which just toggles it on from here. Now if you want to exclude some apps from the Do Not Disturb mode so they can still give you like notifications, you just deselect them from the list right over here. And that's it. Now once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode, you can turn it off by tapping on it once more like I just did. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.